Hey, so what's up everybody? Welcome back to Frank's Garage. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a new trigger onto the Planet Eclipse Etha 2. And also, at the same time, I'm going to be going ahead and installing a magnetic trigger mod that I bought on eBay. I'll do a little video and show you guys how it looks, buddy. Okay, so let's go ahead and start the disassembly of it. So I know that you have this little plug here. Pull this guy back, and then that pretty much should release, I think, the grips. And they all come out as a piece. There's two grips, two pieces to this. Man, I think it's dirty. I'm going to have to clean it. Remember correctly, we pull this thing back, and then you hit these two buttons. Check it out, there's two buttons here. You kind of just push it out. Boom. So you get this little, it's like a battery holder or something that comes out. Take your battery out. Let's remove. Let's go ahead and remove the eyes. It's part of basic maintenance on it, so just do that. Okay, go ahead and remove the eyes. We have this. This is the little detent, little black rubber piece. I always lose it, so Mom's gonna get back right now. Alright, go to your room. Come on, buttholes. Okay. So go ahead and remove these two screws. Try to separate the frame. It does get taken apart like so. Alright, be able to see this little board here. But anyways, we want to try and get this little clip. Very carefully. So we have these screws here. Okay. And then the board comes out. So we'll just keep. You want to go ahead and get that thing real nice. Well, to take this trigger out, we're going to punch this thing out. And you're supposed to do it from right to left. So I'm going to go ahead and try to. And then we got to try to punch out this little thing here. It's from right to left. So from the right side of the gun to the left side is how you're supposed to punch it out. So I'll go ahead and okay. So got it. Slowly out. You gotta be real careful taking this thing out. You don't wanna use too much strength, but there you go. As you can see, came out. This is what came out. This little metal pin. Now we should be able to get this whole trigger to just pull out. So, boom. You may or may not be able to see inside of there. There's this little thing. So this thing here is a little metal spring that came out of in here. Check it out. Right here. So we got the little metal spring out. There's a deuce trigger that I'm going to put on green. I mainly got it just because it's green and I kind of want to get little green accents on my gun. So check it out, that's the difference. But yep, green deuce trigger will go on. Pulled out the stock spring, we're going to replace it with a magnetic trigger. Punched it from this side out towards the left side. We're going to insert it the opposite way with the splines facing the left side, because that's obviously the bigger part that's not supposed to go through. Okay. So that's in. We got the green deuce trigger in. Looks sick. So this is going to take the place of the little metal spring, and you're going to want to glue this little magnet. Watch, it comes with a little magnet, as you can see right there. That little magnet to the back of your trigger. But it's important that you find the polarity of this magnet and make sure that when you set it up, it's pushing away from each other. Alright, so right here I can tell that this is pushing away. Therefore, this would stick to here like this. And you're going to want to place it on the top set screw of the trigger. You'll want to walk the set screw all the way back until it's flush. To push, not to try to get it. It's pushing.
I just realized that I'm missing a second.
So, just gonna move this off to the side. Stick that on there. There we go. At the end of the day, what you want is you want these magnets to push away from each other, as you can see. Boom. Okay. So it comes with 3 different sizes. We go with the medium size. So we're gonna wanna stick this thing in here with the magnet facing the other magnet. Use these pliers to walk it into that square and make sure we get it all the way in. It's kind of a tough push, so you're gonna want to use some strength to push the thing in there. Got it in there, and this is how it feels. Check it out. Feels nice though. Feels real springy. So we got the trigger in. Let's go ahead and get the board in. I've already gone ahead and cleaned most of this thing out with some alcohol and a Q-tip. At least like paint that was standing around, you know. Okay. Go ahead and put this screw in. Alright, we can go ahead and install the little clip that goes to the board now. So as you can see, it's a lot more springy now. Looks good. Okay, so let's go ahead and just finish putting the little eyes back on, and you go ahead, put the grips back on, and we'll go outside and take it for a little test. And that's it. There you go.